Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we have a trig question. And the question is, if sine A plus sine B is equal to root 5 over 3, and cos A plus cos B is equal to 1, then what is the value of cos A minus B? Now, when we have problems like this, the first question we ask ourselves is, how do we get to this point from this point? And the answer to that question might be a bit clearer if we remember that we can expand cos A minus B as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, with this expansion, we can see that if we square the first equation, we will get a term in sin A sin B. And if we square the second equation, we will get a term in cos A cos B. So let us do that. Now, from the first equation, we have sin A plus sin B squared. Now, from this, we have sin A squared, which is sin squared A, plus 2 times sin A times sin B. That is 2 sin A sin B plus sin B squared, which is sin squared B. And of course, this is equal to root 5 over 3 squared, which is simply 5 over 3, because we know that the square takes care of the square root. From the second equation, we have cos A plus cos B squared. And once more, opening this bracket, we have cos A squared, which is cos squared A, plus 2 times cos A times cos B. That is 2 cos A cos B plus cos B squared. That is cos squared B. And this is equal to 1 squared, which remains 1. Now you can see the term in sin A sin B, and you can see the term in cos A cos B. So the next logical thing for us to do is to add both equations. When we add these two equations, we have sin squared A plus cos squared A. But then let us remember the trig identity that sin squared A plus cos squared A is always equal to 1. So that simply tells us that this is equal to 1. Then plus. Now when we add these two, we have 2 into sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. And lastly, we have sin squared B plus cos squared B. And once more, this is equal to 1. Now here we have 5 over 3 plus 1. But because of this denominator, let us express 1 as 3 over 3. Now we can just add the numerators and we have 8 over 3. So we know that this is equal to 8 over 3. So from this line, what we have is 1 plus 1, and that is 2 plus 2. Now remember that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B. So this is equal to cos A minus B. And of course, this is equal to 8 over 3. Now from this, we can simply subtract 2 from both sides of this equation. And when we do that, we have minus 2 and minus 2, leaving us with 2 into cos A minus B. 8 over 3 minus 2 over 1. The LCM is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, multiplied by 8, 8, minus 3 divided by 1 is 3, multiplied by 2, 6. So we have 2 over 3. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by 2. And we have that cos A minus B is equal to 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. This cancels that, and we have that this is equal to 1 over 3. So, given that sine A plus sine B is equal to root 5 over 3 and cos A plus cos B is equal to 1, we have found that the value of cos A minus B is equal to 1 over 3. And with that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something. I hope you were entertained. See you in the next one.